Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to quickly and easily make a simple progress bar that's gonna be called a simple database. And let's say we gonna put a car mortgage. So we have two columns. One is the price. Let's say the car costs, you don't know, 10,000 and we paid already 5,000 of the mortgage. We don't want to overcomplicate it, so we're gonna go very simple. So now what we're gonna do, we want to see basically how much we already paid of the full amount. So to do that, we're gonna add another property. We're gonna go to formula and then we're gonna go to edit, and basically what we're gonna do is we need to do paid divide by price, and we're gonna click done, and we see that we have 0.5. Now we're gonna change it to percentage and we're gonna add the bar. And now of course you can change to different colors, that is totally up to you. Maybe you want the ring bar, that is totally up to you as well. Let's say we're gonna keep yellow or green. And now of course if you're gonna, don't know, pay 2,500, 2,500, it's gonna be 25% of the 10,000 you paid. If you're gonna put some random number, no, not that much, let's say like this, it's gonna give you the same amount, the percentage. So that's how you're creating a basic and simple progress bar in Notion.